Back in that, yeah. Tell them to watch it. Now I ain't talking my pockets. Just know we ain't running out the way that we stocking. If I got it, you got it.
Yo, what day is it? I don't know. So I installed the wig. I installed this wig. Who sent me this wig? Arabella hair? I think, yeah. But I installed this wig. Super cute. I did it by myself. I ain't do no baby hair, bitch. Ain't nobody got time for that. But yeah, so what's today? Today is Sunday, y'all. Remember I told y'all I was on a, you know what I'm saying, I ain't drinking 2 weeks. I did give in yesterday and I had me a drink. Yesterday was my cheat day because I know myself. I know myself. I need a cheat day or I'm gonna end up back where the fuck I started. So I want to show y'all these sneakers that I got real quick before. Ow, I got a pimple in my ear. Oh, that hurts. I want to show y'all these sneakers real quick before me and Mace go to IHOP. This hair is mad cute because it really kept the curls. I had these curls for days. Hold on, y'all. Alright, y'all. So I got me some Chanel sneakers. I seen these sneakers on Dream Doll on her Instagram and I was like, ooh, those are nice. And y'all know I do have the silver Chanel bag. So I was like, ooh, I'm gonna pick these sneakers out. So these sneakers are some Chanel trainers. I have 2 other trainers. I have an all black one. Ooh, my house dirty, don't look bad. I have an all black one and then I have a burgundy and gray one. So I went ahead and got me some Chanel sneakers. I will leave the company's information down below and also, I'm not going to leave it on the screen. I'm going to leave everything down below if you guys are interested in checking out this company. I've never worked with this company before. This is the first time sending me something. So yeah, do what y'all want to do with that information. If y'all are interested in these sneakers, go ahead and click the link down below. Okay, so this is what comes in the box. I have the infamous Chanel ribbon. Y'all know when you order something from Chanel, when you go to Chanel, whatever, everything does come wrapped in, the box comes wrapped in this ribbon. So I got that ribbon if you want to gift, you know, to somebody that's cool. Also comes with this card. Also comes with a dust bag for your items, y'all know. And then comes with another card. First of all, these screamy. Oh yeah, it also comes with the flower for the box if you want to do that. These sneakers are so beautiful, you guys. Like, wow. The quality is girl, the details, everything. So these are my new Chanel sneakers, you guys. I think I'm going to leave these in the box because they're white. I don't want them to get dusty because I do have a lot of dust in this house. I don't know why, but these are the sneakers. I am a size 40, okay? I opted to go for the silver color because I do know there's a gold. So they do have this sneaker in gold. So these are the sneakers. Let me make sure it's in focus. These are my new gorgeous sneakers. So they just have silver, white, gray, and black. Got the double CCs on the side. And then on the front, it just says Chanel. And then the CC right here as well. Let me make sure it's in focus. Oh my God. The CC right here. And the Chanel right there. Damn, they got this shit down to the detail. Then on the back right here, it does say there as well. Then on the bottom, it just has made in Italy and then a double C. So these are my new sneakers. I was actually going to wear these yesterday, but I ended up not wearing it. These will go real good with my aluminum, with my little silver looking Chanel bag back there. So these are my new sneakers. These are so gorgeous, so pretty. I'm gonna do a close-up for you guys. And they also sent some, what the fuck? Y'all, so they also sent some gray laces as well to go with the sneakers. So these are real cute. I'll do a try on feet for you guys to see. And I'll let you know how they fit. These do look a little big, but I'll let you guys know how it fits. Okay, so yeah. I did get these shoes to go with this bag. Just in case y'all wondering and y'all wanted to see. This is why I asked for these shoes, is to go with this bag. So yeah, we up We up and we outside this summer. I love my new shoes. I'll leave everything linked down below if you guys are interested. And let's get into the vlog.
Back in that bag again. Whoa, whoa, yeah. Hey. Back in that, yeah. Tell them to watch it. Now I ain't talking my pockets. Just know we ain't running out the way that we stock it. If I got it, you got it. If I call it, she slide and tell her to mop it. Yeah, I got that shit doing. Damn, she took that thing off and bring it around. Going at it till I'm on. Put that 90 in a hole, I'm beating it down. I'm back in that bag again. Whoa. Oh, say less. I'm back in that bag again. Yeah. Oh, say less. I'm back in that.
Yo, so I went out last night. I might have took my makeup off. This is the makeup from last night, y'all. I went out last night. I wasn't feeling it. I literally went out for like 30 minutes and then I just wasn't feeling it. I don't know what's up with me, but my antisocialness, my social anxiety has just not been, just ain't been good. Mace called me and said he want to go to IHOP. I want to go to this brunch spot in my area. Really only Caucasian people go there, but so what? That's where I want to go, but whatever. I can go to IHOP. IHOP cheaper anyway, so. I don't know what's up with me, you guys. I just been asleep all day. Last night I fell asleep. I was supposed to go out, right? Let me tell y'all. I was supposed to go out. I said, let me take a 1 hour nap. Knowing me. Knowing that I'm a grandma and I really don't want to go nowhere. Anyways. I closed my eyes. I put my alarm for 11:30. Girl, I woke up to that alarm. I looked at Luna. Luna looked at me. Bitch, we said we're going back to sleep. I went back to sleep. I woke up at 3:40. I went out from like 4 to 4:30. It's supposed to be some new African after I was spotting Colleen, but I didn't hear much Afrobeat, so I just wanted to leave. Plus, I was like still tired. My eye burning. The fuck is in these wipes? Oh, my eyes burning. Yo, me and Mace, we've been arguing so bad. I'm just like, bro. Like, we do not have to be together, friend. Like, but he just won't let me move on. Like, I don't understand that type of toxic shit, but whatever. Alright, y'all. So, we are about to go to grab some breakfast real quick, even though it's fucking noon. We about to go grab some breakfast. I'm gonna put y'all onto this spot. I think it's called Jimmy Eggs. I like it. Just found out about it like a couple months ago. Oh yeah, press-on nails are from Kiss. I'm here packing my Chanel. Let me stop because this shit is fake as hell. I'm here packing my little backpack because after that, Luna's coming with us. She's in the car. We are going to be going to the dog park. And we took a break on the dog park because the last time Luna went to that dog park, her and another dog got into a fight. The scars were bad. I'll insert a picture. Like, it was not good. So I know I'm going to be out there for a while. My phone is on 2%. I'm bringing you guys. I'm also trying to pack like a water bottle, some snacks. Because Mace is gonna leave me thirsty out there. Y'all know every morning I take my gummies. These are the Sante Nutrition gummies. This is not promo. I'm just giving them a shout out because as y'all see, I have a lot of them. So yeah, so I take my Ashwanda gummies every morning and also my ginger turmeric every morning. So y'all, I will leave them linked down below. It's a Haitian owned company. Go shout them out. I mean, go show them some love. I put y'all on Instagram. So I'm putting y'all on with this on IG. The turmeric one don't taste good, but it's not supposed to taste good. It's good for you. So yeah. Excuse me. That's what we're drinking on. The Dollar General version, because I'm a bum bitch. Let's go. Hey, Lulu. Y'all, she's so excited to go to the parky. Luna, you excited? All right, y'all, she's excited, y'all. Y'all see the other dogs? She's so excited. You want to tell them what happened last time?
She got into a scrap, y'all. She got into a mean little scrap. The dog beat her up,
She had so many scratches on her, y'all.
She had scratches. She had a bite on her.
Yeah. All right, y'all. This the park we at.
Take her to the
I don't know if it has a name.
Take her to the small side.
Well, I don't think she's considered a small dog, though. Yeah. They always love her, bro. They always want to kiss on my dog and shit. Hey, buddy.
We got Luna outside. Trying to get her to socialize and. Hey, come here.
Oh, I hope so. That's what I'm scared. See? So they make it to that age. Like 19, you said like dogs?
19, 20 years old, yeah.
Yeah.
Dogs that,
Oh, they last. I didn't know they lit. Yeah.
yeah, they last a long time. All right, y'all, we at the dog park. Lulu, say hi to YouTube. Yeah, I don't know. She don't like y'all. She be shy, but we're here at the dog park. Like I told y'all last time, this wig is annoying me. Like I told y'all last time, we came here, she had got like into a fight with another dog. She got bit 2 times, and we didn't realize until we were like washing her that she had like deep cuts. And at this point, that was weeks ago, you guys, like a month ago. At this point, the scars have healed, like it's scabbed, and the scab is falling off. And now, look at her having fun by herself. And now, yeah. What the fuck you staring at? They want to be a family so bad. Y'all, I tell them to go sit down. Oh, ooh, gang. Y'all, they want to be a family so bad. Please don't lick my leg, people's dogs, stranger people dogs. Ah, okay. Okay. This little one feisty. You're a feisty little dog. Y'all look, gang in this bitch. This one is the feisty one, y'all. She bad as hell. She mad little, and she trying to beat people. Ew, who's spitting on my leg? This is the one I like. Look at the little, it's fluffy, like a pillow. This is the little bad one, bro. This is the little bad one, y'all. Y'all, she tried to fight a big ass dog just now.
What? Come here.
Ooh. This the bad one. What's up, mad social?
Come here. I think you so tough.
What's this, black dog season? Luna thinks she, I don't know, child.
Don't be.
Y'all, Luna's really not as social. Yeah, she not social. Luna. Hey, y'all. So I just got home from work. I ended up going to the promotion board today. I got my P status. I didn't even have to say the NCO creed. Not to say that it'll be easy for any of the NCOs, because I have won the NCO of the month recently, so that's why. And I also was the last person I know that was ready to get the hell up out of there. So, being that I did get a go, my boss promised me if I get a go, I get the rest of the day off. So right now it's about 2 o'clock, and I did come home thinking I wanted to film, but really, y'all, I just want to clean this fucking house for real. I've been getting a lot of clothes. I bought mad clothes from Temu and Blushmark. Y'all, I bought so much clothes. Like, this is a lot right here. And then, but they're real cheap. Like, I got so much workout paint. Put that down. So much workout clothes for like a super cheap price. I'm gonna show y'all some of the, I got mad shit. Let me show y'all. Actually, y'all can see how dirty my damn room is. Like, I got mad shit. Like, I did a big ass order and got over 25 items for like $80. So super cute. I'm just gonna show y'all real quick. Shorts. I got this. Damn, I got so much shit. I got this legging set. It's just like a nude, high quality, y'all. Like nude set. Then I got them like booty scrunch leggings. I got that. I got the shorts version. Like, I'm just gonna show you real quick. I'm just gonna show you everything real quick because it's a lot of shit.
Back in that bag again. Whoa, yeah. Hey. Back in that, yeah. Tell them to watch it. Now I ain't talking my pockets. Just know we ain't running out the way that we stock it. If I got it, you got it.
Yeah, I got so much shit. I can't even show y'all. Like, so much workout clothes. Like, just so much clothes. So, I'm so tired, y'all. I just feel like I don't be doing nothing, which is why I don't be vlogging, because I know y'all don't want to see me do nothing. But I'm about to get, I just came out of the field too, by the way. I'm about to get my big ass on this expensive treadmill that's in my house, okay? So that's what I'm going to do. today's outfit. I probably do want to wear some shorts. Yeah, let me wear the booty scrunchie shorts. So this is my workout outfits for today. Just a gray stretchy shirt. High quality, y'all. I will be buying... I'm going to go ahead and get this shirt in some more colors. I did get it in black. But then I'm wearing the shorts. Then show y'all how I make the booty look. All that. That's my gym outfit. Also need to look for my little stomach cream thing. I guess you guys are starting my workout journey with, well, the workout journey with me. I need to find my sweet sweats. All right, y'all, so my camera's dying, but I have my sweet sweats. And wearing this is gonna make you look super boxy, but who cares about that? You're trying to lose weight. Nobody gives a fuck what anybody else thinks. Then I'm gonna go in with this. I'll leave this link down below if y'all wanna try it. It does burn, so.
Yeah. Tell them to watch it. Now I ain't talking my pockets. Just know we ain't running out the way that we stock it. If I got it, you got it. If I call it, she slide and tell her to mop it. Yeah, I got that shit doing. Then she took that thing off and bring it around. Going at it till I'm on. Put that 90 in a hole. I'm beating it down. I'm back in that bag again. Whoa, whoa. Oh, say less. I'm back in that bag again. Yeah, yeah. Oh, say less. I'm back in that. Yeah. What you doing? Yeah, yeah. I'm back in that. Hey, where you going?
Hey, hey, back in that bag again. Don't bring me around your friends. You know that I'm bagging them. Request me on Facebook. No, I ain't adding them. Positions I had her in. Hit from the back. That pussy was splattering. Calling her friend. Tell her pull up.